Your next question is: which city is also called the City of Dreams? These are your options. A. Mumbai. B. Patna. C. Surat. D. Kolkata. The correct answer is A. Mumbai. Your next question is: which creature cannot see at night? These are your options. A. Rat. B. Cock. C. Owl. D. Parrot. The correct answer is B. Cock. Your next question is: which bird's brain is faster than that of a human? These are your options. A. Parrot. B. Owl. C. Eagle. D. Pigeon. The correct answer is D. Pigeon. Your next question is: how many teeth are there in the lion's mouth? These are your options. A. 20 teeth. B. 24 teeth. C. 30 teeth. D. 32 teeth. The correct answer is C. 30 teeth. Your next question is: how many bones are there in the human body? These are your options. A. 200 bones. B. 206 bones. C. 300 bones. D. 306 bones. The correct answer is B. 206 bones. Your next question is: urinating while bathing is a symptom of which disease? These are your options. A. Sugar. B. Stone. C. Cancer. D. Urinary tract infection. The correct answer is D. Urinary tract infection.